DENSO Robotics is happy to present our new members to our 6-axis family of robots, the new VM1500 and the VM1800. They are high performance, compact, very versatile 6-axis robots. They offer a maximum arm reach of 1506 millimeters or 1804 millimeters respectively, a maximum payload of 25 kilograms, precision repeatability of plus or minus 50 microns. The new VM models are excellent choice for packaging, palletizing, depalletizing, material handling, assembly, and pick-and-place applications, to name a few. Comes with our new RC9 VM controller, which brings greater processing speeds with our built-in quad processor technology. A very open and scalable architecture for other third-party components. Some options are standard unit with an IP40 up to an IP67 protection grade, multiple mounting orientations, greater air piping, valve, and signal line options, clean room options in ISO 5, and quicker programming options with state-of-the-art functions with our new WinCaps Plus software. For more information, please go to our website at www.densorobotics.com.